Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. Now, looking at the last draw at 65 score of Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, many people were asking me that should they convert their profile from express entry to OID, Occupation in Demand. And I kept telling everyone that, guys, why do you think like that? I mean, express entry is the fastest way of getting a Saskatchewan nomination, and the paper application is a very slow process, and why would you want to go through that? And I told them that this was one hit wonder only. Okay, usually they select express entry and OID alike. Okay, now looking at this score of 65, okay, people starting telling people that Saskatchewan, go for Saskatchewan, go for SINP, go for PNP. Now, thing is that these knocks, they are not the regular knocks. I mean, when I say regular knocks, they are not the banking knocks, they are not the management knocks, they are not the accountant knocks, finance, or the other regular knocks like that. Okay, these were basically related to skilled trades, the constructions, the electricians and the plumbers and those kind of knocks. Okay, so skilled trades is a different thing, and for that, if your knock requires that, you need to have a certification from Saskatchewan as well. Okay, so do not let their 65 score fool you, because when you look at the latest draw that happened a few hours ago, you would see that the cutoff was 82. Score of lowest ranked candidate was 82. Now this score is a very high score, and a normal person who does not have a connection within the province of Saskatchewan, he or she cannot score 82 points on the Saskatchewan grid. Okay, now these are the regular knocks. When you look here, these are the knocks, okay, that are in demand by Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, and it is good to see that a few knocks made their way back since after the pandemic has happened. Saskatchewan has not been selecting these knocks. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these knocks on the screen while I talk, so that you can look for your knock inside these inside this list. Okay, now thing is, 82 CRS is way above what a normal person without a connection would get. That is why the number of ITAs was also reduced. It was not very much. Okay, like as you can see here, 152 and 103, almost 255 people were selected. Okay, 255 is very less. Now the last draw at 65, it was only OID and 269. So the number of ITAs in this, number of NOIs in this draw were very less. I'm going to keep my screen so that you can find your knock here. So the number of NOIs that were issued in this draw were low. That is why the cutoff score was high, because that is the Einstein theory of immigration. When the number of ITAs are higher, the cutoff will be lower. Okay, and when the number of ITAs is lower, then the number of cutoff will be higher. Okay, so this is basically the Einstein law of immigration. Okay, okay, and don't take that seriously. That was just for fun. Okay, so 82 CRS, 82 score on the Saskatchewan grid means that this person had a connection with the province. Okay, so yeah, given that, people who were asking me should they go to OID instead of express entry, I hope now they have gotten their answer. Okay, stay with the express entry stream. The typical score for Saskatchewan is 70. Okay, 70, 71. So a person with masters, 10 years of experience, IELTS CLB 8 can score 70 points on the Saskatchewan grade. Okay, and 70 is the most often selected score on the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. Okay, so if you have 70 score, don't worry about it. Just you need to make sure that your knock is under the selected range. If your knock is not under the selected range, then you might not consider yourself for Saskatchewan. So your knock has to be in demand, even if you have the perfect profile, that is 70 score on the Saskatchewan grade. Okay, so again, many congratulations to those guys who got selected, the 255 guys who got their Saskatchewan notification of interest. And bear in mind that the requirements by Saskatchewan are very strict. The other day, somebody from Nigeria was telling me that their work experience was not accepted by Saskatchewan. Now, the reference letter was according to the IRCC format, and all other things were intact as per the applicant, okay? But Saskatchewan didn't think so, and Saskatchewan rejected their case. So therefore, make sure whenever you apply to Saskatchewan, your experience has to be genuine, and the knock code that you select has to be matching your duties, okay? And if these things don't match, Saskatchewan will simply reject your application. They are very strict about it, okay? So with these words, this is Ali Iftikhar signing off.